Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and how finally the new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is available for purchase. So let's go ahead and check it out. Very quick video, just letting you guys know, hey, it is available on the website, so you can purchase it and see what it's there. So boostmobile.com, of course, the iPhone 15 Pro now available. We can learn more. So let's go ahead and actually let's go to buy, and let's go to Apple. And here they are, guys, that we can see them. They do have all of them available. So of course I have the 15, the Plus, the Pro, and the Pro Max. Here's the prices. So the iPhone 15, of course, is $829.99 or $830. I always round it up. $930 for the 15 Plus and $1,000 for the Pro, and $1,200 this year. Went up an extra $100. Usually $1,100 for the Pro Max, but it's $1,200 this year. So let's get into it. Let's see just some details. This is one of the more sought after. As you can see, it looks like they're actually sold out, but you can buy them online. But as you can see, you have to check availability, so you probably want to check the store that's near you, because it does look like they're sold out. So check this out. If we go to the Pros, well, they usually do let you buy, but I guess we'll check availability, but usually you can just buy them. But let's say we want, of course, the white one. I don't know why everybody wants a white one. But let's say we want the blue titanium at 128. I don't want protection. You can also check availability and put in your zip code. And then, like I said, you can put your zip code and you can purchase it. Of course, if it's out of stock, it totally is out of stock. So I just had to go ahead and do it. That's why I changed this one from check availability to continue. Just because, like I said, I wanted to go ahead and check it out. But it does seem like it works perfectly fine. And you can purchase it. Of course, they will tell you which ones are out of stock. But of course, the most popular one right now, it looks like it's the white and 256 for a Pro. So, like I said, you can purchase all of them, which is great. But yeah, guys, so those are the prices. And of course, let's just go to the Pro Max, because that one has the best specs. You can see the spec sheets here. Of course, it has a A17 Pro chip. It does have the action button. Of course, it has better optical zoom, 5 times optical zoom over 3. Does have USB-C with USB 3. That's only available in the Pro models. Up to 20 times faster transfer, action button, and fast track to your favorite features. So that's about it, guys. Not too bad, but just a quick video letting you know you can purchase it, and you can either get it on Boost Mobile or Boost Infinite. So I usually would go with Boost Mobile just because I know them better, and usually, I don't know, use them a lot longer. So it's prepaid versus Boost Infinite. Same thing, just postpaid version. So check it out, guys.